Hello! Today I am doing my first product review. It is something that I like to do when I go to the 99-cent only store. And today I found something new that I have been looking for but didn't know that this existed. So I'm really excited. It is called the Maid. It's kind of a ball. It was only $1.99, so if it doesn't work, that's okay, but I just wanted to try it out. I got purple and pink, of course, and if anyone wants to subscribe, I could send this to you in the mail. It's my first video. It's not too big. It's just a little bit bigger than a tissue box. If you want to compare, see? Just a little bit bigger, not too bad, but I'm gonna do some unboxing and see how it works. Let's start with the purple one. I'm only gonna open one so I can give the other one away. Well, there is a coupon inside. That's awesome. $70 off orders of $100 or more. That's on their website, ladymate.com. That's pretty cool. It's a little hard to get out of the box because it has that bubble there. Right, here it is. It's almost as big as my face. There is a latch right here that says for best results, secure the latch. I'm going to take that sticker off. It comes off pretty good for the most part. There's just a little bit of tape still on there. I'll get that off later. And you just open it like this. And inside there is a bag. This, you could put your bra or panties. You could use panties as well, but I'm going to use it for my bras. And there's also this ball, kind of like the dryer balls, if anyone remembers those, but I think this is to scrub off any dirt, so that's pretty cool. So it says that it fits up to size 38D, which I have. And I also have a 40D that I'm going to try to see if it'll still work. I like to remove my straps, if you're able to remove straps, and wash them separately. Well, in this case, they're going to still be in the same ball, but in the bag. Let's see here. So I got one off. I'm going to take the other one. I just like getting those inner seams cleaned as well in the wash and not getting like a metal line or stain. Okay, so it's not too dirty, but I've had it for I think a couple weeks since I bought it, so I need to wash it. Yep, just fits in there pretty easily. It says for best results, wash one bra at a time in Maid. However, more than one Maid ball can be used per load. So I have two, if I don't end up giving it away or selling it, that I could use both in the same wash. This is cool. And it says to include in a regular wash, so with your other clothes. I'm guessing it's going to make a lot of noise if you do it by itself. So I'll probably do that with some shirts and socks. Nothing heavy like jeans or anything. I don't want to push it. So zipped it up. I'm going to put this like that and put it inside here. This is a 38D, so that's what it says it's good for. Let's see if I can close it. Alright, so it closes with a little bit of pushing. It's got some teeth there, so I think it's a good idea to make sure you check all the edges before you toss it in there. It's pretty sturdy, so I think it's going to be pretty good. And then with all the vents on the side of it, you get all the dirt out when it rinses. So we'll see how it does. I'll let you know. Thanks.